Nwoke ji ọfọ, nwaanyị ji ọfọ, mana ọfọ mara onye ji ya. Ofo serves as a symbolic embodiment of authority within Igbo culture. It represents the authority to command the universe in whatever aspects of our existence, which means it gives a man the authority to lead or to serve as Dibuno, as father, Nna, and to act as an intercessor for his family, between his family, and to interact and communicate with all the ancestral spirits that guards and protects that his lineage. It gives a man the authority to serve as a mediator between man and spirit. This is where Dibias come in. It also gives an individual the authority